Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And this will be a quick video which is actually requested by some of you seeing me using these tools in the videos, repair videos on this channel. So one of the videos was featuring, you saw me using one of these. And the question was, what are those tools, who they are made by, and how much they cost. So let's go and give you the answer. So in general, this is basically called aviation wrenches. And what it is, they are very long wrenches, but they are also very thin, so they give you very great access to the spaces which are very limited, and where the normal ratchet, due to its thickness, plus you have a socket that's already super tall, so in those areas you cannot get these, and these wrenches might be actually too short to reach. So let's take one of them out. Let's say very common size 12 millimeter right here. Look at the length and how thin it is. So obviously the ratchet is so long, but the socket will be very tall. Let's compare it with a standard 12 millimeter wrench. So this is thin the same way, but look at the difference in the length if you need to reach somewhere. And this is the genius of these aviation wrenches. Look at this, absolutely incredible. But hopefully I can find at least one example on this Scion here, how beneficial it is. Let's go and see. 2005 Toyota Scion TC, the 4-cylinder 2AZFE. And for example, look at down there on the water pump pulley. It's held by those 4 bolts. Well, how you wanna squeeze a ratchet there? That's basically impossible, because there is the wall and there's no space. I will guess these bolts are 12 millimeters. So here's your standard wrench, 12 millimeter. How you wanna reach down there and have some also power to be able to undo those. Impossible. Look at this 12. It's so long. The profile is super little. Look at this. It takes me half second. I'm already engaged on that bolt and I'm able to undo it. Do you see? You start seeing this usability? It's just incredible. And this set came with this storage protective pouch. I believe you are able to roll it this way. Can you see it? And even have it as a mobile. So this is pretty cool. That seems to be pretty great material. I never carry it anywhere, so I cannot tell you how this storage case, how long it will last. What I can tell you is something else. The quality of wrenches, it's very good. I don't have any chrome peeling off it or anything like that. It seems to be polished finish. And the company is Ozark, and I bought it off Amazon, and they actually have a store in the Amazon. It's a Ozark store, and the name is 6 pieces extra long aviation wrench set. I can highly recommend this. I will leave the link underneath the video, but the links can break. Might be not there forever, but I just checked and it is on Amazon, and it's actually even on the sale. I'm not related to them whatsoever. I'm just answering question from one of you because you saw me working with it. I am at my shop on Saturday afternoon because I will be working on this Scion, and I had the time to answer this question. Highly recommend. The only one thing I regret about purchasing this, the only regret is I didn't have them long time ago. This is basically priceless tool to work in the tight spaces. Guarantee. I use them very often from the moment I bought them. So I hope that answers your question, and make sure you are subscribed. I have always many videos coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a nice weekend, my friend.